a sweet sight fishing hole targeting tiger trout. Let's get after this. Let's go. Yes! Let's go! My drag was super loose there. Beautiful male tiger trout. Look at that. Nice orange colors on that one. That's so cool. Sweet kype. Awesome. Cool. We'll get him back. Oh. Wow, out of nowhere, little dude. This baby. So cool. Cute little tiger. Nice. Way. Oh. Nice fish. Awesome. Woo. That there is a solid upgrade from our Manitoba master this morning, 22.5. We let the big girl rest in the net for a little bit in the water. Get a quick hero shot. And call it from there. Beauty, tiger. That's awesome. Freaking rights. Ooh, missed that one. Nope. You'll do it. Nope. Light bite. Another small one. Sick. And trout number 2. Oh, that's a first for me. Wow. There we go, we got another one. That's looking like a nice male. Oh, my hook is caught in the net with my other line. There we go. Nice, nice fish. I thought he was going to be a Manitoba master. He's about 19 and a half. Well, despite this fish not making the trophy cut, look at the beautiful orange color on that. That's a sweet looking fish. Cool. Almost that time. Golden hour. Sun is about to set. And we are almost in sunset prime time bite for these wicked tiger trout. I've only got 3 batteries, and I used up 2 pretty darn quick. But with sunset prime time now, we're losing light fast. It is 4 p.m. and probably in about half hour to 45 minutes, she's gonna get pretty dark, and these fish are probably gonna be pretty hungry. Low light visibility. These tube jigs also glow. Exciting. Let's get it. Let's go. That's the one. This is it. Oh, yes. That's a nice one. Yes, come on. Oh, what a beautiful looking fish. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Jawjacker coming in clutch today. So clutch. What an absolute hog. My PB Tiger Trout, 24 and a half. This thing's big. This thing is big. Oh my. That is my new PB. I'm super happy about it. Absolute tank on the sunset prime time. Worth waiting until the sun is almost down. So epic. Thanks for tuning in. Another episode of Freshwater Fishing with Adrian. And if you like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.